Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to start by accessing calendar and tapping on it. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. After that you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, set up location over here, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on all day over here. You can also set up notifications, take notes, and even invite people from your contact book. When you're done, just save. As you can see, my event was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!